Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Freddy Krueger from Nightmare on Elm Street. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw his eyes first. So we're just going to draw two mean brows. So you can actually start this way in the middle. Just hook it down, and then we're going to hook it back up. So this is the actual brow, we're going up, and then it's gonna come down. Alright, and then from here, we're gonna draw his eye. So right underneath here in the corner. So there's like a little bracket, go up and slant down. And then we're gonna draw in the bottom, and it's gonna be pretty straight, because we're trying to give him kind of like a mean expression. Okay, so that's his eye opening, and then for the eye itself, I'm just kind of drawing the bottom here. Make it look a little bit more sinister, kind of looking down a little bit. Okay, and then from here we can add in some more lines here, right in the corner, just kind of come out. And then here, right where the brow is, you can just kind of continue that down, so it makes it look like it's almost like an eye socket. Okay, because we want to make it look mean. So then from here we can draw in, let's draw in his nose. So we're gonna come down. Okay, you can draw two brackets like this, and then just kind of give a little angle on the bottom. And then we're gonna come down for his lip. So his lip is gonna be easy. We're just gonna almost like a little sad face. And then on the corner, just add in a little bit of a line there. It's the corner of the lip. And then for the lower lip, we're just gonna add in a little line like that. And then to show in some crease from the nose area here, we just kind of curve it down toward the corner of the mouth. Okay, so then from here, let's go back up and let's draw his hat. So his hat's gonna be right at the middle here. It's gonna dip down, so we can start in the middle and just kind of go out right above his brow. Okay, and then we can finish this off, just kind of go up. And then we're gonna close it off. And then now for the top, so just kind of it's almost like two little peaks. So we'll just go up first, and then we're gonna come back down. Add a little line there, and there's gonna be a fold here. And draw in a little angle right in the corner. Okay, so let's finish up the face, and so now we can come down, and from here just kind of draw like a bracket both sides, and then we can just kind of keep going down. And then right around the mouth area, we're gonna start turning it in and finish up the jaw. Okay, and then let's draw in his ear. So this one's easy. Two curves right around the eye area here. Just go curve down, and let's finish up the hat. So the back of the hat, we can start here. Just gonna curve it down. So start in the corner and just curve it down behind the face. All right, so now for the fun part, right? We're gonna draw in some of the cool little rips on his face. So right here, we can draw a line, and just kind of draw a little shape like that. And you know, I'm just gonna shade it in. Since I have a Sharpie, it's kind of hard to see the line sometimes because it's so thick. So I'm just gonna draw in some of these shapes. Okay, just make it look like it's rips in the face. And then maybe one right here, just one at the nose area. And then there's gonna be some right here because it's right at the cheekbone area. Okay, maybe a little down here, maybe some wrinkly face, a little bit of skin drooping. Okay, so you can just go around with your pencil and just add in little marks here and there. It really helps to kind of age the face a little bit, make it a little bit more like a monster skin. All right, let's move on. Don't want to have too much fun with that, right? All right, so let's move on to the neck. So his neck, we're just gonna come straight down here on the side, and then we're just gonna curve it for the collar. And then for the shoulder, we're just gonna go out pretty wide for his sweater. Alright, so once we have that, we're gonna come in all the way down to his waist. Just pinch it in. And then we're gonna go past the waist. We'll come down a little bit because he's wearing a sweater. And then we're gonna close it off and just make it a little bit wavy. And on the bottom here, we can actually add in some of these details on the sweater. Okay, and then going back up, let's add in, he's got a collar, a sweater. So just curve around, and again, we're just gonna add in more of these details, just like on the ones on the bottom. And then from here, let's add in some of the details on the neck. So we can draw 2 lines like this, and then we can also add in more. Just make it look like it's the ripped, drooping flesh again. Okay, just a little bit. Alright, so let's move on, and to draw his arm, so let's come down. He's wearing a sweater, so here's the armpit. We're just gonna come down, and then for his bicep, just gonna draw a little bit of wavy shape because he is wearing a sweater. So we're gonna come out, and then for his arm again, just kind of wiggle the shape as you're coming down slightly. Close it off, and then here's the little cuff. Let's add in some of this so we can see some of the details. Okay, and then for his hand, I'm just gonna have him just come out and hook it back for his thumb. Come across, and here's the back of the hand just to show you where it is. And then here's one of the fingers. We're gonna come down and just curve it. Then we're gonna curve it back up. And then another finger starting here, just curve it in, and then it's gonna show up behind there. And then on this one, we're just gonna just taper it down. Okay, alright, so let's draw the other one, and this one's gonna be cool, right? Because he's gonna be having his claw. So again, armpit, come down, and I'm gonna go all the way down to the bicep area. So using the other side as a guide, curve and just kind of come back in, wiggle a little bit. Curve, close it off. Okay, the cuff. Okay, so now let's draw in the claw. So this is gonna be cool. So we're gonna start out with the thumb first. Just gonna curve it out, and then we're gonna come in. Okay, here's the back of the hand. So now we're gonna come out for his finger. Go all the way out, and then we're gonna put a line there because for his this little claw thing. And then on the claw itself, we're just gonna extend it, come back here, and then we're just gonna draw in a curve. And then for his other finger, so we're gonna start down here, just curve it, and then go back up. And then the claw itself, so we're just gonna draw one line, and we're gonna start back here. Just gonna close it off with a curve. Okay, and then one more. Let's see, we have 2 more fingers. So we're gonna draw one more here. Extend the claw. Then we're gonna start back here, just go to the point. And then one more. Okay, smaller one. Okay, so that's the claw, and let's see, let's add in some detail to the sweater. So we can start out here with the armpit is. We're gonna draw one line across, and then I'm gonna draw another line here. So this is one band, this is one different color. And then we're gonna draw 2 more stripes on the bottom. And then for the stripe on the arm, this is actually gonna be one border right here. So we're just gonna start the armpit and we're just gonna slant up. So that's gonna be one stripe there. And then we're gonna draw 2 more stripes. So we got 1 and 1 more on the bottom here. All right, and let's see, same thing here. So we're gonna start the armpit, go up. So 1 stripe here and 1 more down here. All right, now let's draw in his legs, and since his sweaters comes down a little bit, so we're gonna start a little bit higher up here. Gonna draw a little line, and then we're gonna start on the side here. Just come in, go out, in. This is gonna be a little bit straighter and just come in, and then his knee, just like 2 little brackets like that. All right, so let's draw the other side. Again, we're starting here, curve, curve in. Then this one come down, curve in, and then 2 brackets on the knee. And then now for the lower leg, so we're gonna start up here, just kind of go out, and then we're gonna come back in, and then as we're going down, just kind of give a little bit of these wrinkles here. All right, and then we're just gonna close it off. And then the shoe, we're just gonna draw in the dome shape, going out more on this side, close it off just a little bit so. And for the little wrinkles here, so we can just draw in these lines for his pant. Okay, so then on the other side it's gonna be pretty much the same. So we're going out, and then we're gonna come in, a couple of wrinkles, close it off, dome shape, close it off a little bit so, add in a little bit of crease lines. And that is it for this Freddy drawing. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.